beautiful city of Bangkok today. I reached yesterday but could not give you a proper introduction because there was some problem with my mic. But I have a mic ready today and it's a beautiful morning and I'm going to show you everything in Bangkok, the food, the shopping, the beautiful temples out here. I am staying in the Hilton Inn Garden, which is a nice budget property, very nice. I had an amazing breakfast in the morning and I'm all set and heading to the temples. I also wish to shop something before heading to the temple. Temple जाने से पहले I am thinking I'll go to the Central World Mall also just to see how it is. Overall, the city is giving me really cool and happy vibes. Yes, I'm going to take you along. So let's go.
Let's rewind a little. So I took an overnight Air India flight क्योंकि सबसे cheapest option वही था. So I went with it. और इसीलिए I skipped dinner because I had access to the Adani Lounge. रात के around 3:30 बजे I was having पाव भाजी. Like seriously? Travel करने की यही चीज़ें तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Expect the unexpected. How was the flight? Well, it flew. So approximately 4 घंटे हवा में उड़ने के बाद I landed in Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport and by the time I landed it was 10:15 AM. My trip was around December when travel to Thailand was visa free जो अभी भी extended है और इसी वजह से Indians तो large numbers में airport पे दिखाई दे रहे थे. But in this airport I could literally see people from every ethnicity. Quickly immigration clear करके I looked for options to reach my hotel. So if you don't have a pre-booked cab, the best option is to book a Grab via the local application. अगर prepaid airport cabs avail करोगे तो वो काफ़ी costly पड़ेंगे around 1300 baht which is around 3200 rupees. Also, airport पहुँच के don't forget to buy a local SIM from Klook which will cost you around 200 baht मतलब 500 Indian rupees. And this will make your stay and travel within the city a lot more easy. Grab pickup point के लिए you would have to go a floor lower than the arrival. And that's where you will get your taxi. I had booked my hotel in the Siloam area of Bangkok, which is a 45-minute drive from the airport. The Hilton Inn Garden is a beautiful budget hotel with a cozy vibe. This hotel is situated in Siloam, which is one of the main areas in Bangkok. इस एरिया में आपको काफ़ी इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स भी मिल जाएंगे. The room was pretty decent, not too spacious, but that's not a problem at all. It was quite clean and nicely done up with a gorgeous city view. The breakfast spread was equally good. If you don't prefer meat, your options would get slightly limited. I went ahead with omelette as that was the only option I could see that could actually fill my tummy. यहाँ omelette बनाने का तरीका भी काफ़ी अलग है, which I really liked. The omelette turned out so soft and fluffy. I loved it. I also tried raisin muffins which was so delicious. Apart from this, there were freshly cut fruits and coffee too. Breakfast तो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से खा लिया, पेट भी भर गया है. So now let's go back to where we started. Right now I'm at the bus stand waiting for my bus.
This bus is going to directly take me to the Central World Mall. यहाँ पे the information is given which is not in English. We can see the bus numbers and it's going to be easy to. And I think bus के ऊपर भी लिखा है in English where the bus goes. Alternatively, here you can also take a Grab. And or you can take a tuk-tuk, you can go for a tuk-tuk ride. I took a tuk-tuk yesterday which was a very enjoyable ride. The Grab is an application based taxi, so the prices are fixed for a certain distance, whereas in tuk-tuk you have to bargain a little bit, adjust the prices and enjoy the ride. So navigation and traveling in Bangkok is pretty easy, so no worries out there. Okay, this in my hand is the Rabbit card. This is the Metro card which is used out here in Bangkok if you want to travel by Metro. And for this, you should visit your nearest Metro station wherever you are staying in Bangkok. Nearest Metro station hoga zarur. Go and pick up this card. So this card will cost you around 100 baht. and they will load 100 baht in the cart. So you can definitely use this in the metro and it's going to be really helpful.
So my bus ride was super comfortable, enjoyable ride. और अब मैं पहुंच गई हूँ सेंट्रल वर्ल्ड. मुझे यहाँ पहुंचने में approximately 45 minutes का टाइम लग गया because of traffic. Yes, traffic in Bangkok can get really notorious, so plan your travel in the city accordingly. Take at least a buffer of 30 minutes before going anywhere within the city. Okay, this mall is like really huge. It has street food shopping set up outside the main mall as well. And क्योंकि Christmas time है, this mall is so beautifully decorated. Let's go inside without wasting any time. जैसे ही आप अंदर enter करोगे, you will come across this Thai brand called Naraya. I had seen quite a number of females carrying bags from the same brand, so I entered the shop. So apparently these bags are made from original Thai silk and they are super smooth and soft. And you will come across variety of designs and shapes and sizes. तो मुझे ये cute सा pink backpack बहुत अच्छा लगा, which I have picked up. Along with this, I have also picked up 2 hats, black and red, to save myself from the scorching sun in the daytime. And I am pretty happy with my shopping. Do visit this store, it's something quite different which you will not find back home. Ground floor पे open stalls भी हैं with some amazingly cute stuff. But these are way too pricey. Also, अगर आपको मीठा पसंद है, there are so many options in this cafe on ground floor. ये देख के इतने अच्छे लग रहे थे, but मैंने सिर्फ फोटो खींची and I headed on to the upper floors. This is the 9th largest mall in the world, can you imagine? And if you get stuck anywhere on any floor, don't worry, there are navigation boards on every floor and explained pretty well so you can smoothly make your way ahead. This mall houses some of the great luxury brands, almost every brand. Here you will get so many different options in Zara and H&M as well than what you get in India. So definitely check it out as well. There is a huge Toys R Us store as well on the 5th floor. अगर दिसंबर के टाइम में जाओगे तो फायदे में रहोगे because there are ample offers running on so many different brands. You will easily spend 2 to 3 hours in this mall if you want to explore every floor along with food. तो मैं निकल गई खाने के options explore करने. अगर आप vegetarian हो मेरी तरह तो options थोड़े limit हो जाते हैं, but their food court is huge with so many options. Authentic Thai food में भी veg options मिलते हैं. And there was Indian food available as well called Mrs. Balbir's. ये वाला outlet आपको बैंकॉक में काफ़ी malls और जगहों पे भी मिलेगा. And the food is also very tasty and homely. But today I wanted to have something Italian, so on a lower floor I found this cute place called Pule. The seating is really nice, open to mall walkway, so you can see people coming and going. I just like the vibe overall. The food was so yum. I had ordered mushroom fettuccine pasta. It was so good. All I can say is I've had such good pasta after a really long time. This place is a must try, definitely. You can stay longer inside the mall if you wish to shop, but if not, then शाम होते होते मॉल के एकदम बाहर ही काफ़ी सारे स्टॉल्स लगते हैं for local food and shopping. और क्योंकि क्रिसमस टाइम है तो और भी ब्यूटिफुली सजाया हुआ था, and there was also a performance going on by the kids which was very enjoyable.
As they shouted out with me, do not delay, no spending, you belong in this story.
मॉल से थोड़ा आगे आकर चल के जाओगे तो you will come across Bangkok's most famous spiritual attractions, the Ganesha Shrine and the Trimurti Shrine, also called Bangkok Goddess of Love. These are among the most popular tourist attractions and remain open to visit from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And it's quite easily accessible as it's just beside the famous Central World Mall. I was super excited and surprised to find Ganpati Bappa Shrine right there before me, so I took my time to fold hands and pray because why not? और यहाँ के लोग गणेशा को प्रे करते हैं for success, wealth and luck. गणेशा श्राइन के एकदम साइड में ही त्रिमूर्ति श्राइन है which is called Bangkok Goddess of Love. So all the single ladies out there looking for true love, you know what to do. Whatever you wish to offer here, you can get from the stalls just on the opposite side. It goes without saying that Hinduism has quite an influence on Thai culture for the past so many years. Even though Thailand is predominantly Buddhist, many Thai people worship Hindu deities and practice Hindu rituals too. Yahan aana is a must, guys, because it's so beautiful to see the cultural blend.
So I had an amazing time here in this small Central World, but thakawat bhi bahut hui hai because there are in total 6 floors. If you want to have food, you have to go on the top in the 6th floor. I had Italian food here. It was really nice. Communication is slightly a problem here. And मेरे साथ तो एक funny incident भी हो गया था. I asked for black olives. First she got olive oil for me. Then she got some black liquid. And then I had to actually show her the photograph of black olives. And that is how I got black olives. So थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर problem हो सकती है. But overall it's a fine experience. Communication is okay. The mall is really beautiful. It's all well and nicely lit up because it's Christmas time. Christmas is just around the corner. So I'm done from here. But I think plan में थोड़ा सा change है because I was about to go to Wat, Arun and the palace. So the palace closes at 3:30. I will not be able to go there anymore because it's already 5:30 now. Wat, Arun also here. From here, if I leave now, it will take at least 40 to 45 minutes to reach. So what I'm going to do now is I'll visit the Platinum Mall here, Platinum Fashion Mall, which is the best fashion mall here in Bangkok. And along with that, I'll see if I can visit any weekend markets like the Pratunam market. So let's go. If you are in Central World Mall, I think it is better that you cover both the Platinum Fashion Mall as well as the Pratunam Street Market because ये बहुत पास है एक दूसरे से. So it is better to cover all of these together and then move on to the next destination. Also यहाँ पे पीछे एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा garden है which you can see. It's called the Prathum Vananurak garden. If you're here and if you're tired, you want to just relax and sit and have a nice cool breeze, you can come here and sit and relax, maybe get some snacks as well. So this is a really nice place. I can't visit right now because I'm running out of time, so I'm going. Central World Mall से Platinum Market का जो रास्ता है, it is really simple. ये एक skywalk है जिस पे I'm standing right now. You just have to take the skywalk from the Central World Mall and reach the Platinum Mall. It's that easy, and the entrance is just right behind me, as you can see. So it's pretty easy to even reach this mall right now. So this is the Platinum Mall entrance. Let's go inside.
I have entered the beauty and cosmetics zone, and this looks like shopper's paradise. If you love stacking up on beauty products, this is your go-to place. I mean, just look at it. I ditched beauty products and went for drugstore. Boots products pe itni achhi sale thi and I picked up so much stuff. Literally everything was one pay one free. Such cute bags, fashion accessories for kids also are in this zone itself, and what cute stuff. Clips to scrunchies to hairbands, everything you will get here.
Okay, so right now I'm in the zone 3 of Platinum Mall, and mostly यहाँ पे cosmetics are there. You'll get a lot of cosmetics in zone 3. If you want to buy fashion accessories or clothes, it's in zone 1. So right now I'm heading there. Let's go.
Wow! सबसे पहले तो इतने सारे shops देख के I got really confused in the start, didn't know where to begin, but I took it one at a time. Not every shop is good, so you need time here to see and decide what you want. Prices are mostly fixed. I tried bargaining a little. I was successful once, but rest of the times I paid the fixed price, which also isn't much, so it's okay. This shop called Roommate has some really good night and lounge wear, so don't forget to visit. Don't forget to check out shirts here as well, very comfortable and with beautiful patterns. यहाँ के bags भी बहुत cute लगे मुझे and I got one for myself. Clutches, clips and earrings are as low as 20 baht. I took so many, I literally have no count, and such good stuff. The Platinum Fashion Mall has something for everyone and should not be missed at all. Platinum Mall से एकदम बाहर निकल के स्ट्रीट स्टॉल्स लगते हैं, so don't forget to visit these as well. यहाँ से मैंने लिया थाईलैंड का दी मोस्ट फेमस डेजर्ट मैंगो विद स्टिकी राइस, जो मैंने होटल जाके खाया आराम से, बट इट वॉज हेवन गाइस.
Sticky rice and one sushi. Above, yeah.
ये एक चीज बैंकॉक आके ट्राई नहीं की तो यू विल रिग्रेट, एंड देयर मैंगो जूस इज ऑल्सो अ मस्ट ट्राई. मॉल्स तो अच्छे हैं ही, लेकिन स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग और ईटिंग का जो चार्म है वो अलग ही है. यहाँ बहुत सुंदर क्रॉक्स भी मिल रहे थे, बट ऑनेस्टली आई वॉज सुपर टायर्ड. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू सिट फॉर अ वाइल एंड एंजॉय द जूस फर्स्ट. सो इसी स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग के रास्ते पे थोड़ा आगे जाके आई स्पॉटेड अप मैकडॉनल्ड्स, और वहाँ मैंने आराम से बैठ के पहले जूस पिया, और सीरियसली इतना मज़ा आ गया. इट वॉज सो डिलिशियस, सो स्वीट, नो शुगर, वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. आई लव्ड इट. मैं आ गई हूँ डे 1 के मेरे लास्ट टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन पे, द मोस्ट फेमस प्रतुनम मार्केट. दिस मार्केट इज अ 6 to 7 minute वॉक फ्रॉम प्लैटिनम फैशन मॉल, तो यहाँ पहुँचना भी काफ़ी ईजी है. इतने रात में भी दिस मार्केट वॉज फुल ऑफ लाइट्स और लोग भी काफ़ी सारे थे, मोस्टली इंडियंस. इट्स बेसिकली अ मेज फुल ऑफ शॉप्स ऑफरिंग क्लोथ्स टू बैग्स टू एक्सेसरीज एंड वॉट नॉट. सबसे पहले आई स्टॉप बाय एट अ क्रॉक्स स्टॉल, एंड इस बार तो मैंने ले ही लिया है क्यूट सा सैंडल क्रॉक्स. अ परफेक्ट बाय. This market is also a perfect place to shop casual t-shirts or the ones with typical Thai print with elephants. You can also go ahead with a top and bottom set like a quad of the same elephant's print, which I found really cool. Plus it had some really nice and breathable fabric. यहाँ पे काफ़ी क्लोथिंग स्टॉल्स पे अच्छी खासी सेल लगी हुई थी, तो ऑलरेडी ज़्यादा बार्गेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. बच्चों के लिए भी यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे हैं, एंड रियली क्यूट क्लोथ्स, स्पेशली दी क्वाड सेट्स. दे आर रियली नाइस, सो डेफिनेटली चेक देम आउट. इस मार्केट में बायो के होटल के एकदम ऑपोजिट एक बहुत ही अच्छा सनग्लासेस का स्टॉल था. आई बॉट 3 of these and they were so good, so chic and not cheap at all. This was the best buy, so don't forget to visit this stall. प्रतुनम मार्केट में लाइन से इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं. You can literally choose which one you want to go to. Overall, I really liked Pratunam Market because I really found cool stuff at reasonable prices, and I'm sure you would too, so definitely keep this on your list. After a super tiring yet fulfilling day 1 in Bangkok City, I am heading back to my hotel now. I had super fun. I have literally shopped till I dropped. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for day 2, which is going to be even more fun, even more exciting. Until then, stay super happy and healthy, guys. Bye bye.